Despite being ruled by several dynasties of different religions, Goa has been a Hindu dominated state since its origin. Even today, the land of judges comprises of around 65.8% of Hindus and is famous for a number of temples as well. Untouched by commercialization, these divine temples take us back to hundreds of years. People from the world over visit Goa to see these well maintained majestic temples devoted to different Hindu gods and goddesses. Goan temples are perfect places to rejuvenate your mind and your body and to refresh your soul. Sri Mallikarjun Temple. The Sri Mallikarjun Temple, dedicated to Lord Mallikarjun, an incarnation of Lord Shiva, is situated in the Sristal village, which is 7 kilometers northeast of Chowdi in Kankona in South Goa. The shrine is known to be one of the oldest in Goa and is situated amidst beautiful natural surrounding in a valley completely surrounded by mountains. The temple is believed to be constructed during the middle of the 16th century. By ancestors of the Satriya Samaj, it was refurbished in the year 1778. The main deity of the temple is referred to as Advat Sinha Sandeshwara Mahapati by his devotees, and his consort is referred to as Devati. The temple has around 60 Hindu deities and it celebrates a number of festivals, with the annual Jatra being the most unusual amongst the most of the festivals in Goa. The temple also celebrates the festivals of Ratha Saptami and Shigma Utsav, which attracts a number of devotees. According to the legend, the temple was the place where Lord Shiva united with his consort Parvati after a long period of separation. Another source of mentions that the demon Malla was fighting with one of the Pandava brothers, Arjuna. Shiva assumed the form of the hunter and killed the Malla and saved Arjuna, and hence the name Mallikarjuna. The temple is also known as Advat Sinha Sandeshwara Mahapati Kankona among the locals. The linga is believed to be Swayambho Lingam, uncovered by a member of Kumbi community while clearing the forest, and it is a phallic shaped uncut stone covered with a metallic mask. Since Goa's Gaud Saraswat Brahmins were known to work for Vijayanagara, they chose to settle in Kanakona. Rao Rana Shurveer Surya Rao Sarve, who was the respected and valued by Shivaji, despite being his adversary, belonged to the family that stayed back at Sringapur after the scuffle with Mahmud Gawan, and hence was extremely loyal to Brahmin. The temple, with its beautiful wood and silver carvings, is reputed to have been erected by Habu Brahmins of the Dravidian dynasty. One can see some of the finest surviving art on the 6 pillars in the Mantapa, or the assembly hall. One of the wooden pillars in the Mantapa is used as the oracle pillar in the temple. These pillars have intricate carvings with scenes from the Puranas and the Mahabharata. On either side of the doors leading to the inner sanctum, one can see beautifully carved silhouettes of the doorkeepers or Dwarpal. The daily worship is performed by Brahmin priest only for a certain designated period, and during the rest of the period, the Kumbi priest, namely Vedip and the Zalmi, perform the daily worship. A number of festivals are celebrated throughout the year, such as Shishrani, Jatra, Viramal, Avatar Purush.
बरेंच पुरातन मंदिर आहे. माझी यादी व्हडलेशी म्हाका खबर ना, पूण म्हाका आतां 71 वर्सां जाली. 71. पूण तेजे मदीं आमगे कितें आसा, ह्या देवळाक 2 पुरोहित म्हूण उरतात, 2 पुरोहित. आनीक ह्या देवळाक मेन म्हणल्यार बाकी कडेन आनी कशेंच ना, पूण हांगा एक हें आसा की वेळीप चड हें करता, वेळपाचें हें चड हें आसा. पूण कितें जाता, तें काही लोकांक कितें जाता, थोडे पयलीं कितें आशिल्लें वेवस्थीत चलता सगळें देवस्थान. पूण मागीर कितें जाता, कोण कोणी मदीं भानगड करता, हें करता. पूण आमगे देवाक तेजेर कांय जावना, जावं कमिटीक तेजेर कांय परिणाम ना. देवाचे देव वेवस्थीत चलोवन घेता. तेजे नंतर मागीर आनी कितें आसा, आनी एक म्हत्वाचें म्हणल्यार आमगेलें शिगमोत्सव, तो मेन आमगेलो. तो अवतार पुरीस म्हणून ते 6 आहात, आनी ते आतां गांवांक येवूंक गेल्ले आसा. आनीक अंदू तेजी वर्स 3 तिसलान म्हणल्यार 3 वर्सांनी एक खेप ती शिशारान्नी म्हणून जाता हांगा. ते येता सगळं आसता, आनी थंय कितें जाता, ते गडे पळय आसा न्ही, ते 3 जाणां न्हिदयतात अशी गरलान, आनीक मागीर तेजेर उजो शीत शिजयतात मडकी दवरून, आनी ती शीत शिजोवन मागीर तो भगत म्हूण आसा, ताका दुसरो भगत तलवार घेवन मारता, रगत काडटा, आनी ते तेतूं शितान धरतात आनी कालयतात, आनी ते मागीर मारतात. आनी जेन्ना पळय कोण मातसो मेंटल आसा न्ही, तेन्ना तो थंय कुदूं लागता. बाकी लोकांक कांय जायना पूण मेंटल आसलें जायत न्ही जाल्यार कितें नाल्यार कितें थंय ताका हें जाता आनी मागीर ताका देवा फुड्या व्हरतकीर मागीर तो निवळटा कळ्ळें. मागीर आमगेलें सप्ता म्हण आसा हांगा 7 दीस. मागीर तुगेले श्रावणाची 4 सोमार आसात. तेजे नंतर तुका नवरात्र 9 दीस चलता अशें म्हळ्यार कितें चालू आसात. आनीक पयलीं कितें आशिल्लें 3च रथ अशें हांगा रथसप्तमी म्हण पयर जात्रा जाल्ली 3च अशी पयलीं 3च आशिल्ले ते आतां 5 केले कमिटीन. 5 रथ जाले आतां पयलीं तशें नाशिल्लें 3च रथ 3 दिसां जात्रा जाताली आतां ते 5 केले. तेजे नंतर शिवरात्र आसा आमगेली आतां फाल्यां ती अंबारी हाडला नवी ते भितर नवी हाडला. पयलीं पन्नी आशिल्ली ओमनतेन ती नवी हाडला म्हळ्यार कितें प्रगती जायत आहा देवाची.
Sri Chandreshwar Bhutnath Temple. Sri Chandreshwar Bhutnath is the most famous and the ancient temple in Kepe Taluka. Perched on the Chandranath hill in Paroda, the temple has stood for over 1500 years, undergoing many transformations and renovations. And just like the Parvat, which is full of green, cover and rich in flora and fauna, the temple too has a tremendous wealth of history, inspiring devotees, history seekers, and the nature lovers to embark on a journey to pay their respect to Lord Chandreshwar Bhutnath. The Chandranath Bhutnath temple is associated with the Boja dynasty, and they named their capital Chandrapur, which was changed to Chandor by the Portuguese. The temple was established by a King Chandravarma in the 4th century, possibly a Boja ruler. The deity is mentioned in the 5th or the 6th century copper plate inscription grants of the Boja king. The Chandranath Bhutnath temple is associated with the Boja dynasty, and they named their capital Chandrapura, which was changed to Chandor by the Portuguese. Chandreshwar, an incarnation of Shiva, is worshipped as the Lord of the Moon. It is believed that the lingam oozes out water when the rays of the full moon fall on it. Consequently, the temple is so constructed that the full light is cast in the sanctum. The lingam is called Swayambho Lingam, one raised from the ground. The lingam and the sanctum are carved from a single natural granite stone, which was in the same place and has never been moved. In the sanctum known as Panchayat Sthan, 5 gods and the goddesses are worshipped: Chandranath, Ganpati, Navdurga, Mahalakshmi and Vishnu. There is another shrine near the Pipal tree dedicated to Lord Bhutnath, main pradhan of the Lord Chandreshwar. The temple hence is called a Sri Chandreshwar Bhutnath. The shrines of both the gods are so arranged that each god can view the other through the window opening called Zaruk. According to an ancient Sanskrit inscription, a temple has stood on this magical spot for nearly 2500 years. However, the present building dedicated to Shiva is comparatively modern, dating from the late 1600s. The only part of the shrine that is definitely a vestige of the Vedic age is the cavernous inner sanctum, hollowed from a hug-backed boulder around which the site 17th century custodians erected a typically Goan style structure, capped with a red tiled room and domed century tower.
एसटी आशिल्ली गोंयांत त्या वेळाचेर हे मंदिर उबें केलें. सेल्फ मेड शिवलिंग आनी तो भुतनाथ.
Sri Anand Devasthan. Sri Anand Temple is situated in North Goa. Sri Anand Temple, also known as Madanta Temple, is located at Savai area of Vanda Taluka. It is the only temple of Anant in Goa. It is surrounded on all sides by water and beautiful scenery. The temple of Sri Anant was built in 1540. The temple of Anant is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Ananta is the serpent on which the Vishnu rests and is said to be the holder of the entire universe with. Goddess Sri Lakshmi is sitting at the feet of the Lord Vishnu. The idol of the deity is carved with the black stone. Besides the main deity, Ananta Shishashayi, the complex also has a Shantadurga, Kamini, Narayan and Gramapurush temples. The structure of the temple is small and is quite inviting. The pillar decoration is very minute and full of intricate designs. The distinct structure of this temple is a 2-story high lamp tower. During festivals, the tower is decorated with oil lamps. Nearby the temple, there is a holy water tank which is used for rituals. The temple is situated little away from the village with a nice smooth green setting. At the top of the flight of the steps, gateway is set, displaying widely its courtyard and surroundings. Low walls of the small courtyard is widely spread with a low-lying well-watered paddy, a rich green for the most of the year, other than the areca palms with a few nicely crowns emerging from masses of the tumbling pepper vines. Lively outlines is provided by bananas and fruit trees, as this proves that nature has done favor on this land. The records on the history book say Savai has been ancient settlement for both spiritual and secular learning. In the 11th century, this land was contributed to the teacher and mentor of Shasta Deva, one of the early Kadambas rulers, as a gift in respect of his wisdom. Vishnu's images of different avatars, which are presently kept in museum at Old Goa, proves that Vishnu is worshipped here for more than 1000 years. The images which are found in this village are so dedicated to Vishnu and is worshipped here as Anant, the serpent in this temple. During the time of floods, Vishnu takes the form of Narayan, asleep on the coil of Ananta floating in a cosmic ocean, with the protection of its hood. Kneeling beside its foot is the Lakshmi. At the time of recreating the world, a lotus stalk rose from Vishnu's navel. Sitting on it was a Brahma, the creator to fulfill the task.
श्री अनंताचे देऊळ असा अनंत शहर म्हणतात वेगवेगळ्या मूर्ती न्हिदलेलो समुद्रात न्हिदलेली तशी मूर्ती असता विष्णूची तशी मूर्ती असा हांगा मार्गशीर्षान जात्रा जाता 7-8 दीस चलता आणि पूजा म्हणटा जाल्यार एवरीडे असता सकाळी अभिषेक असता त्यानंतर रातची गंधपूजा असता म्हणजे सँडलला कलर मिक्स करून त्याची पूजा बांधतात ही एवरीडे असता रातची आरती जाता तशी तीर्थप्रसाद उत्सव खूप असा वेगवेगळे उत्सव जातात सगळे उत्सव जातात खूप जुने देऊळ असतात स्टोरी म्हटल्यार खूप असा म्हणजे पयलींच्या म्हणजे ही मूर्ती जेवण पंचांतरी पयलीं आयले तेन्ना तेंचे हल्लो जाल्या नंतर मायग्रेट जाता 600-700 वर्सां पयलीं ते वड्यान घालून वडे म्हणजे शीप आशिल्ले तेन्ना शीप म्हणजे शिडाचे कॉटनाचे कपडे वारे भरता त्या शिडान त्याची मूर्ती आशिल्ली आनी ती वाऱ्या बरोबर ते शीड गलबत वचत रावले हांगा नदी आसा मांडवी नदी हांगा सकयल थंय येवन ते लागले राज्य थंय उरले हांगासर एक साधू आशिल्लो त्या साधूक सपनान कळ्ळें की अशें अशें आसा ते देवाची मूर्ती आहे ते गलबतान वचून सोदल्या नंतर ती मेळ्ळी आनी ती सगळ्या लोकांनी हांगा स्थापन खूब जुने